Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken salad with chicken breast. First, let's prepare our chicken. You'll want to cook 2 chicken breasts until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, allow them to cool completely. This step is crucial for easy shredding. Then, shred the chicken into nice, bite-sized pieces, ready for mixing. Now, let's gather our essential ingredients for the dressing. In a bowl, combine 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of tangy Dijon mustard. For that perfect crunch, add 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery. And to brighten up the flavors, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped parsley. These ingredients form the delicious base of our chicken salad. With your chicken and dressing ready, it's time to combine them. Gently fold the shredded chicken into the prepared dressing mixture until everything is well coated. Next, season your chicken salad. Start with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Remember to taste as you go and adjust the seasonings to perfectly suit your palate. Your homemade chicken salad is now complete and ready to enjoy. There are so many delicious ways to serve it. Try it on toasted bread for a classic sandwich, or in crisp lettuce cups for a lighter option. It's perfect for lunch or a quick, satisfying dinner. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.